If you think to start making money on TikTok and you want to make financial success on this platform, I will show you how you can start earning money in a unique way. First option to start making money on TikTok is TikTok Creator Fund. This option allows you to earn money on content that you created and publish on this platform. What is TikTok Creator Fund? Creator Fund is not a standard program where your owner share commissions from ads. Creators get some funds depends on the variety of factors from their videos, and this is dynamic parameter. How funds are calculated? These earnings are calculated out by combination of factors including the number of views and authenticity of this view, the level or engagement on the content. Who can join to TikTok Creator Fund? Creators who meet these rules are eligible to join TikTok Creator Fund program. Are based in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain or Italy. Are at least 18 years old. Have at least 10,000 followers. Have at least 100,000 videos views in the last 13 days. Have an account that fit with TikTok community guidelines and terms of the service. All actual information about this program are available in TikTok website. Make money from TikTok Go Live. Another way to earn money on TikTok is go live session and start making money from donations that you can get from people that watch you. On your live session, you can get coins from your viewers, and these coins you can convert to the dollars. When you collect minimum $15 to WinDrive, you can order the payment to your PayPal account. The maximum daily amount to WinDrive is $1,000. To start making TikTok Go Live session has a minimum 1,000 followers. Divert audience to other monetized platform. Divert audience to other monetized platform is a method not giving you directly money from the TikTok, but giving you a big opportunity to redirect your viewers to the platform where you can join to advertisement networks. One example page like this is YouTube, where you can make money on your video. I know you ask me how to make money on this solution. For this case, we assume your content is about making review electronic gear and you want to make a review a new iPhone 14. What you can do in this case? Create a full review video on the YouTube. Next, create a short video like trailer to your video on TikTok. Add to your video on TikTok link to your video on YouTube. Full product review. And divert the audience from TikTok to YouTube. What profit you can get on this solution? First, you earning money from TikTok Creator Funds because you made some good content and people watch a video. Second, you earn money from YouTube advertisement because you transfer traffic what you created on TikTok to YouTube. Third, you can earn on affiliate program putting links to your product on YouTube or TikTok. Make money on affiliate program on TikTok videos. Affiliate program are one of the best options to make a high profit from your TikTok videos. Very good information is you can find affiliate program to almost all kinds of content that you can create on TikTok. A few examples how you can earn money on TikTok videos with affiliate program. If you create technology content, you can join, for example, to Amazon affiliate program and earn money for each product that buy person from your affiliate link. Create video with iPhone 13 review and add link to selected affiliated program to this phone. If you create course, you can add your video link to Udemy affiliate program where is your course, or to your course what do you recommend and earn some commission from this course. If you're creating content about health, food or weight loss, you can join to some affiliate program where it's selling health food and earn commissions from this place. Make money from brand sponsoring. Another way to start making money on TikTok is brand sponsoring. You need to grow up your TikTok channel and have good content to start cooperate with brands. This is not easy step, but this will give you massive income when you start cooperating with these brands. But if you will create good content, you achieve this point and you will start making money on TikTok on brand sponsoring. Bonus. How to become an entrepreneur and make a big income on TikTok. First tip for all how to become an entrepreneur and make a big income on TikTok is make good research to find your niche where you can find a lot of opportunities to use all tips from this video. Second tip is make good content to have a lot of followers and a lot of views. Last tip is make research and check what is hot topic and use this knowledge to make your content.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.